Hey guys, Rhett here at my client Jenny and Eric's 5th Section 8 rental property. I am so excited to bring this to you today. They bought this house, guys, very, very cheap. This house was in major distress. We put a brand new roof on it. We sided the entire exterior in brand new vinyl siding, went through here and just redid the entire inside. Let's go through it. There's a bunch of chirping going on from smoke detectors. So I don't want to be in here super long, but let's walk through it and I'll show you a little bit about what we did and how it looks. So guys, coming through here right away. So first of all, we did everything here. Everything here needed to be done. It needed drywall work, it needed a ton of mechanicals, all new flooring, it needed interior paint, it needed everything. So that's what we did. I mean, you look at this place kind of as a whole, and it just looks clean. It looks really, really nice. And it's gonna be very easy to get this rented. This product is so hard to come by in the market that we operate in. And we talk a lot about, building a product that's better than everybody else's out there. Building a product that is gonna make you stand out from everybody else. And one of the biggest misconceptions with Section 8 is you just put a unit on the market and you're gonna get renters. That's not true. The Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher Program, it's a free market. So basically, it's not like a housing project where when a unit opens up, there's a wait list of people, you choose who you want, or the government says, okay, you're next on the list, you're moving to unit 1, 2, 3. The Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher Program, which is what we do as Section 8 landlords, they have to choose us. And just like we have to choose them, they have to choose us. So putting on a product that's superior to every other product on the market is extremely important. Now, this is a 4-bedroom house. This is going to rent for a baseline of $1,300 up to $1,400 a month, 100% Section 8 rent. It's kids playing in the street. It's a super quiet, super nice area. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy for Eric and Jenny. They've done a bunch of Section 8 rentals in a short amount of time, almost more than one hand, which is great. And they're trying to get to 10 before the end of the year, which they're going to do. But I want to take you through here and show you. So we have bedroom number 1 right here, okay? Bedroom number 1 right here, really, really nice. Still have to do touch-up work. We're not done by any means. It needs touch-up work. It needs, after the touch-up work is done, it needs final trim paint. After the final trim paint's done, it needs to go through and do our punch list items. But if we move back through the living room here, out of bedroom number 1, we have bedroom number 2, which is right here. So bedroom number 2, you walk in, we have our closet right here, and then we have bedroom number 2. It's nice. We don't have we have some nice privacy next to us, which is good, and the bedroom is a good size. So we walk back through the living room, nice wide hallways, guys, and bedroom number 3. So bedroom number 3, again, like I said, still getting stuff out of here. We just redid the bathroom. That's why everything here is taken out. I'll show you if you come through here. So all new subfloor in the bathroom, refinishing the tub, redoing the back panel there. Oh, that was loud. And new electrical in here too. So redoing everything in there. It's getting a new vanity, new toilet and everything. That's why the vanity is going in the trash. So bedroom number 3. And then guys, we move into the kitchen. And the kitchen looks fantastic. Everything looks great in here as well. We take a step down into our laundry room. So we have our washer and dryer hookups. We have our GFI right by the washer dryer hookups, which we had to put in. We have our hookups for our dryer. And then in the back of the house, we have bedroom number 4. So bedroom number 4, back of the house, and in phenomenal shape. Looks great, nice and quiet. Nice backyard if the tenants have kids that want to go and play in the backyard as well. So overall, guys, really, really nice. I'm a huge fan of this home. I love the street, I love the area. Jenny and Eric are no strangers to large rehabs. And that's what we did here. And you can't be successful if you want to build large portfolios unless you do BRRRRs. And the BRRRR method we talk about all the time. We buy these units, we rehab them, we rent them out, we refinance them, and we repeat that process, the BRRRR method. And when you build a big portfolio, you have to add value to it. Otherwise, you're only counting on natural appreciation trends in certain markets to gain value. It's not a good way to do things. You gotta build value. You have to force appreciate things. That's what we do. And that's what Jenny and Eric have done so well. So I'm so proud of them. Guys, if you wanna be like Jenny and Eric, you wanna follow in their footsteps, send me an email in the description below. All my information's down there. If you wanna work with me, use my team, work with my team to get a product like this, please send me an email. We'll get it started. Questions, comments, put them in the description. We'll see you next time.